Okay, so Instagram has another update. It's called dual camera. Now, I know you're probably going to go, oh, another one? But actually, I think this might be really useful, especially if you like to talk to people and show people what you're doing. Take a look. Okay, so here we are inside of Instagram, and now I'm in Instagram stories, and I do have a little filter on, which is why I have the filter button. But you need to click the downward arrow here on the left. And here you can see this new option which says dual. So when I click that, it's going to give you dual view. So as you can see, you're now seeing my kitchen and you're seeing me. Now this is really good if you want to actually talk to people about what you're doing, or you're showing people what's happening. Now another thing to say is that you can turn the camera around so that you could be the small person and what you're talking about is the bigger one. So this would be really good if you're showing explainer videos or you're commentating on an event. It's a really cool feature. Another thing to note is you can make the separate camera bigger or smaller, and you can also do this after you've recorded as well. Okay, so also just to note that it is still 15 seconds. So when you press and hold the camera button, it will be a 15-second video. Otherwise, if you just press and release, it's just going to take a photograph. So if I press and hold, it's going to take this 15-second video of me ready for your stories. And what you can do in those 15 seconds is you can, talk about something or highlight something that you want to share, or you can just do more of these as you go along. So after the 15 seconds, I have my story recorded. Now, one thing to mention, like I said before, is you can move the individual photo around if you don't want it in that top right hand corner. If you realize that when you've done your short story that you're in the way, you can just move yourself out. And if you use your two fingers, you can actually make yourself a bit smaller or a bit bigger, so you could actually just sit there in the corner. Again, if you have audio, then of course choose the sticker. You can add your captions to it as well, so you can add any of the other things that you want to your story like you would normally do. If you want to use this story somewhere else, you can download it beforehand by clicking the save button. Otherwise, just go ahead and share it to your story like you would normally do. So I hope you found this video useful. This is just another update to get your head around from Instagram, but I do think that this one is going to be quite useful for people. Also, just to note that if you would like help to actually increase your visibility, then I do have coaching sessions available for you to book today. And if you would like to find out if you're procrastinating or activating your visibility, then do check out my bio where you can go through my quiz to get an action plan. Bye for now.